Commercial floor mats are an important part of your building maintenance program. The right mats stop dirt and water at your door and provide a safe surface to walk on. But if you are renting floor mats, you could be paying more than 7 times what you would pay if you simply purchased your own. Here are some facts you may not know about rental mats. Though rental mats are sold as convenient, most users clean them daily at their own expense. Most mat rental companies offer limited sizes that are often too small for the job. This forces you to rent multiple mats, which increases tripping hazards, not to mention being unattractive. The most effective mats have a permanent bi-level face reinforced with rubber to trap dirt and water below shoe level. Rental mats don't have this and are less effective. The quality and appearance of rental mats varies significantly. Some are more than 10 years old. Most scraper mats, anti-fatigue mats, and kitchen mats are not changed out by rental companies. The user is left to clean the mats while still paying rental charges. Rental mats are not environmentally friendly. They require fuel for pickup and delivery. Cleaning them requires many gallons of water and chemicals and extensive energy consumption. High-performance mats are cleaned in place with an environmentally friendly cleaning program of your choice. And finally, rental mats are a very expensive long-term matting option. At an average of 20 cents per square foot, a 3x5 rental mat will end up costing facilities $780 over a 5-year period. Purchasing a 3x5 mat would cost about $100. Clearly, high-performance matting is your best choice. Purchase your mats today and start enjoying the benefits and savings.